You've heard it a million times. Something's not working, restart it. And somehow, it actually works. But why? When your device is running, it's constantly storing temporary data in RAM. Every app you open, every process running in the background, every little task your device is doing, all of it sits in RAM. Over time this builds up. Some of that data gets corrupted. Some processes get stuck in a loop doing nothing useful, and some apps start conflicting with each other. Your device gets cluttered with all of this invisible mess. When you restart, all of that gets wiped completely. RAM is cleared. Every process is stopped and started fresh, and your operating system loads back up in a clean state. It's basically your device taking a deep breath and starting over. There's another reason too: memory leaks. Sometimes apps don't properly release RAM when they're done using it. So even after you close an app, it's still holding onto memory it no longer needs. Over time these memory leaks pile up and slow everything down. A restart forces every app to release that memory immediately. Software bugs also get fixed by restarting. If a process crashes or gets stuck, your device might not know how to recover on its own. A restart kills that process completely and brings it back in a working state. This is why IT people always say, "Have you tried turning it off and on again?" It sounds like a joke, but it genuinely solves the majority of software problems, because most problems are caused by accumulated clutter, stuck processes, or memory leaks, and a restart clears all three at once.